Thank you, Brandon. Well, science, technology, engineering, and math. A group of John Adams middle schoolers in Mason City are getting a fun hands-on look at how to put STEM education to good use. About 70 students designed one of these CO2 race cars over the last several weeks. They learned about aerodynamics as well as using the proper tools to get the design they want. Today, they're racing those cars, and we caught up with the winner this morning about the work that goes into putting the fastest car together.
It took me a really long time to come in before school, after school, study halls, and during class period just to get like this.
And he even put off his family trip to Jordan for the holidays so he wouldn't miss the races.